First step is to remove the plastic cover. This cover is important for preventing dust accumulation on the microscope. Next step, plug in the microscope into the socket. Okay. Third step, you're going to go to the back of the microscope and turn on the power. The next step is going to be to turn on the brightness. So this back button is going to turn on the upper lights. And you can see pressing a second time, third time, and then the fourth time makes the light go off. And then here, below where your specimen is going to go is going to also be a light, and so you can turn that off and on. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to turn this on, and then also the backlights on. If you want to adjust the brightness, you can press plus, which will make your lights brighter, and minus, which will make the lights lower. So now, once you're done with that, you're ready to put your specimen onto the stage. There's nothing in this one, but be careful with your own specimen. So now that you have that, you want to start looking through these lenses. Usually the lenses are good, but in case they're not, you can always take a Kim wipe and just gently wipe down the lenses here. And once you're done with that, you can just throw that in the garbage. And so next step is going to be to adjust the magnification. So you can go to 35, which is the highest, or 8, which is the lowest, and see what magnification works best for your sample. The next thing to adjust would be the focus, and so you'll look through the microscope and you'll just adjust the knob while looking through the microscope to see what makes the microscope have, nice crisp lines, and you'll see when it's like, it's a blurry image versus a clear image, and so you'll want to find what makes the most clear image, and so you can just work between these two knobs to see which one is best for your specific needs. So for example, if it's so blurry and you can't tell what kind of magnification you want, maybe you want to first put it into focus and then go and adjust the magnification, and vice versa, and you can just work how that feels best for you. So now you've done all your work on your microscope, and so you want to start putting your microscope away. So the first thing is going to be to turn off the lights, and so you want to make sure all these lights are off. So you can look below and press that button, and so you'll see that these go off. Make sure all of the lights are off, not just some, and then you can press this one to turn that off. And then next, remove your specimen from the stage. So I removed that, and then turn off the power in the microscope. The next step would be to unplug the microscope from the power socket. And then the last and another very important step is going to be to put the cover over the microscope. This plastic cover is going to help prevent dust from accumulating on the microscope, and that's important to help keep these microscopes in good quality, or in good shape. They are precious instruments. So that's all for the Leica dissecting scope. Thank you for listening.